Hi everyone, in this video we'll go through a simple and beautiful login and register form created using just HTML, CSS, and Java. I explain each part of the code step by step so you understand how everything works and how to customize it for your own projects. So let's start at the very top. The first line is a type HTML simply tells the browser that this is an HTML5 document. Then we have the HTML tag with the lang and attributes, meaning the page is in English. So inside the head, we set the character encoding to UTF-8, which support almost all characters. The next line with the meta viewport tag, make sure the looks like good on all screen size, especially mobile. So the title defines the page title that appears on the browser tab. Here is the login and the register form. So now inside the style tag, we define all our visual styling using CSS. So first we target the body, so we set the font family to Poppins or Arial. So the background color is a light grayish tone. Then we use Flexbox to center everything perfectly in the middle of the screen, both vertically and horizontally. So finally is we remove the default margin and set the height to fill the full screen using 100 VH. Next we have a form container class which will wrap all our form content. This is what gives the forms its card-like appearance. So the background color is a dark blush tone and rounded corners are added using border radius 12px. A soft shadow creates depth with the back shadow property. Then the form has a fixed width of 350 pixels with 30 pixels of padding inside, and all text inside is a white. There are also a transmission all 0.5 says, which makes any hover or background colors edge animate smoothly. Here is the heading. So the H2 or the heading tag inside the form acts as the title like login and or register. So it has a bright blue background, rounded edges, concerned text, and some padding. The font size is 24 pixels, and we remove the default top margin to keep it snug inside the card. So next we style our input element for text, so email and password. Each input takes up 100% weight of the container. There's 10 pixels of padding inside for comfort and 10 pixels of vertical margin for spacing between them. So the corners are slightly rounded with border radius at text border, and outlines are removed for a clean look. Finally, we set the font size of 13 pixels. Here in the button styling, the button is styled to match the color theme. So it's full width with padding and rounded corners. The background color is the same blue we used earlier, and the text color is white. The font is bold, and the cursor changes to a pointer when hovered. So when we hovered over the button, it's slightly dark, tends to giving a nice feedback effects. So finally, we have a small text section with the class switch text. So this is the perfect lines. Like don't have an account register here, so it's centered with a lighter gray color and a smaller font size. This keeps as wish while subtitled but still readable.
So hello everyone, I'm going to discuss this part also of CSS section. So this part is morning ang mag-control sa appearance sa form. So sa switch text, mauni ang style sa link nga mo switch sa login og register. So diri nga part is gibutangan og color, underline of clickable effect. So sa hiding, gitago ang limit gamit ang display none. mao ni ang gamitan aron isa ra ka form ang makita sa at the time. So, sa label og terms, para ni sa font size o color sa mga label or term section. So, this part is mo ni ang nagpanindot sa form aron sa yunra sa user ang pag-navigate o pagsabot. So, next is HTML section. So, kani nga structure o skeleton sa imong form. So, div or div a login form para sa login form, username, email or password na i-button nga sign in or link nga register. So, and next is div a equal register form class equal hiding para sa registration form nga nakatago sa first. Naing mga input diri nga field sama sa first name, last name, email, username, password, o confirm password. Next is label class term. Mo ni siya ang check box nga moingon nga I agree to term and condition. Sa P class switch text nga na ay link aron maka-switch sa lain nga form. So, diri nga part nagpakita sa user kung unsa ilang kinahanglan sulatin para makalagin o maka-register. So, next is JavaScript section. Kini ang brain or control sa form. So, diri sa cons login form document get element BYID o login form, mao na siya ang gikuha ni sa JavaScript ang mga elements sa HTML aron makontrol. For example, it can hide the login form and show the register form when you click register and vice versa. And it can also handle what happens when user click sign in or sign up buttons once you add logic for that. So this part is the JavaScript connects everything. It makes the form interactive and dynamic, allowing switching between login and register screen without reloading the page. So pasabot diri nagpakita ang sa user kung unsa ilang kinahanglan sulaton para makalagin o maka-register sa form.
Good morning, ma'am. So next is the registration form and then the login form. So these lines is gin-upper niya to the Java code for handling user which is the login o si registration on a web page. So we have the registration and login. So show the register that add event listener. So these lines is gonna set up niya to click the event listener with the element in the ID. So gonna show niya to register. Then when this element is clicked, so the form will be hidden. Gonna hide niya to the forms. Then we have the register forms. So gonna show niya to registration from the form. So next is the show login that add event listener. So these lines is gonna set up gyapon niya to event listener on ID with the show login. When this element is clicked, so the registration form will hide from the registration form. Then we have the login form. So gina show niya ang login form. Next, we have the login button. So si login buttons is when the login button is set up, to click event listener. So, ang element niya is ang listener on element niya with the ID. So, login button. When this button is clicked, so cons user is equal to document that get element by ID. So, we have the login user. So, gina-retrieve niya ang value entire the input field with the ID. So, login users and removes any leading, trailing, and white space. So, dili siya mo login if mali or dili siya match sa iyang kuan nga to sa login. Next, we have the cons pass is equal to document get element by ID. So, this is the login password. So, gina-retrieve niya ang value to enter the input field with which is the ID. So, when pag mali ang imong ID o login password, so dili siya mo login ngadto sa imong sign up. Then we have the if user pass. So, gina-check niya if either the username or password was filled or empty. If either the empty, so gina-display niya to alert message. So, ang nakabutang ngadto is please enter the both username and the password. Dili siya mo login. Then, mo return siya into exit, which is the function preventing further execution. So, first, pag ma-success na siya or masakto ang iyang username o ang iyang password, so mo butang din siya nga to nga sign in successful. So if both username and password are provided, so mo display siya into a success message. Next, we have the console log. So we have the user, password, and pass. So we have the log, the user password. So the console will be browse into the login. Then we have the registration button. So we have the register button, add event listener. So this lines is gonna set up to click event listener on an element with the ID, which is the registration button. When this button is clicked, so the cons pass documents that get element by ID. So ID password. So gina-retrieve niya ang value enter the input field with the ID password. So next is the cons confirm the document get element by ID. So, first is kuan man to password. So, second is gina-confirm niya if same da or i-confirm niya kung unsa imong gibutang nga to sa password nga kuan. So, dapat ibutang sab nimo diri ang password nga confirm para if mag-login ka ngadto sa o mag-sign up ka ngadto sa o sign in ka ngadto sa web sa imong didto, so dili siya makabutang nga wrong password. So dapat kung unsa imong gibutang sa password amo sab sa confirm password. So kina-retrieve niya ang value enter the input field with the ID. So gina-confirm niya after the password, so dapat may confirm password. Next is cons agreed is equal to document that get element by ID. So agree. So gina-check niya if the checkbox with the ID agree. So the term and condition will agreement. Next is if pass confirm. So gina-check niya if either the password or confirm password was filled or empty. So if either is empty is to display an alert message. So katong giingon ako gay na if kung unsa imong gibutang nga to sa password mo, sa ibutang nimo sa confirm password. Then pag human sa confirm password, pag mag-login na ka nga to, so dapat kung unsa imong password nga to sa imong sign up, so mao po yung password nimo sa sign in. Kung unsa po username nimo sa sign up, so mao po imong username sa sign in, kay para dili siya ma-error. Next, we have the password. So, gina-check niya if ang password daw kuno is confirm. So, if dili siya match, so mo display siya into alert message which is si passwords do not match. So, dapat gayud ang imong ibutang ngadto is kung unsa imong gilog-in form ngadto sa sign up, mao pasabdi ngadto sa sign in. If mo agree na siya, gina-check din niya ang checkbox to the registration form which is the registration full success. If the validations all pass, so gina-display niya ang registration successful. Then we have the registration form class last add. So gina-hide niya ang registration form. Then we have the login that class last that remove. So gina-show niya ang login forms. So here di ara ang iyang output. So tapos dayon pinuton din ang register, fill out din ka ngadto. We have sa first name, then last name, then email address, dapat complete. Then we have the username, password, then confirm password. After the confirm password, agree, sign up. Okay dayon. After okay, mag-sign in. Username, kung sa imong username nga to sa sign up, mao po ibutang ni mga ni. Next is si password. Next, sign in. After sign in, mubutang din siya nga sign in successful. That's it for today's video. Bye-bye.